Flask hash set method throwing KeyError. In order to cache some data, I am calling cache.set method. However, it is throwing KeyError. The error log. The server module looks like. And SummerRouter module. Note, I have removed unnecessary codes. I also put breakpoints, and called cache.set some_key, some_value, in server module itself. It is returning true, but same cache object is throwing KeyError when imported and used in SummerRouter module. Can it be that the way I am importing an object is wrong? I also tried importing the cache object right before using it, but it did not work. Any idea what is going on here?
The problem was I was accessing cache object outside request context, i.e. in SummerRouter module, and because of which it was unaware that under which context it has been used. In server module where request has been received, the cache knows about the app application, but during cache.setKey data in SummerRouter module, it throws KeyError. This error is justified as mentioned above. The resolution is to push the application context as below. This will push a new application context using the application of app. All thanks to Mark Hildreth for his great answer on context in Flask.
완전 초시고 플래시 컷이가 섭스가 1위.